Under the bed you will find a piece of wood and a metal piece. Make sure that these are inside the vehicle before you drive off. These pieces have two functions. The first function is to make a table. See the video to see how this is done. The second function is to make another bed inside the camper. Follow the steps in the video to see how to make the extra bed. When you are finished with these pieces, make sure you put them back underneath the bed before you drive away. This is the best and the most securest place for them.